Okay, I think I finally fixed her up. Still in pieces. Biggest problem was let me see if I can just get this up. Okay. This is the connector for the on-off switch. The key, you don't need it. So this is the wire from the ignition coil, which is right over here. There's one wire coming out of there, which is this one. And it had a protective sleeve over a bullet connector. That's for the bullet side, that's for the female side. And the bullet connector broke inside there, but it was held together with this plastic, feels like silicone sleeve. So get intermittent or actually no spark depending how much the wire moved. So I just put a jumper wire, just used the tape, stranded copper wire, just wrapped it around both ends. Cleaned the pilot screw. There's a little hole. So this screw right here, it's called the pilot jet screw. There's a small hole on the bottom of that screw when you unscrew this out. And it needs a 28 or 30 gauge wire to clean it out. But be careful because that wire can break off in that little hole. Happened to me. So if it has to be clear. So there's 3 holes on the side of this pin, this screw, and 1 little hole at the bottom. Insert picture here. So, plug in the spark plug since that's going to be my on-off switch since it's not hooked up. Going to I'm going to prime it. I forgot to put the cover over this carb, but you can see, should see fuel going in there. And you got my primer tube keeps falling out. Just, it's not a big deal, just jam it in there like so. Prime it till I see fuel. I can hear the fuel. Choke is open. And let's see if she starts on 1 pull. American snowblower.